T-Mobile Home Internet functions as a backup solution through fixed wireless service over cellular towers. This provides internet continuity when your primary connection fails. You'll need a T-Mobile gateway device and a router that supports WAN failover for the setup. First, enable bridge mode on the T-Mobile gateway through the app or web interface. This allows it to act as a modem for your existing router. Next, configure your router to monitor the primary internet connection and automatically switch to the T-Mobile WAN port when it detects a failure. During an outage, the router detects the primary connection failure and switches to the T-Mobile backup. This typically takes 30 to 60 seconds. Keep in mind that data caps and potential speed deprioritization may apply depending on your T-Mobile plan. Because the T-Mobile gateway needs electricity, power outages can disrupt your backup internet. The gateway consumes around 12 to 15 watts of power. Connect the gateway to a UPS for approximately 1 to 2 hours of backup power during short outages. For longer outages, use a generator to provide continuous power. For extended outages, consider solar-powered chargers or integrating with home energy systems. Regularly test your power backup setup to ensure seamless transitions during actual outages.